Morning. Today we are going to talk about toys. These are toys that you can play with. At school, we have pattern blocks. Each one of these blocks is a different shape. This is paint. I like to paint pictures. Blue is my favorite color. This is Play-Doh. Play-Doh, you can make different shapes, animals, different objects. Blocks. These are blocks. You can build with blocks. Puppet. These are puppets. You can give them voices and make them talk. Puppet. A bow and arrow is magical. Here's the arrow, and this is the bow. You pull the bow back, and it shoots at a target. The bow is magical. This is magic. Stuffed animals. These are stuffed animals. You can have a horse, a dog, a moose, a fox, a frog, a zebra. They're stuffed animals. All of these things you play with. Play means to have fun. You might play together with somebody else. Together. There's 1, 2, 3 kids playing. A character is the person in a book. These are characters. We also have feelings, how we feel inside. I might feel happy. Oh, I might feel sad. He's crying. He's sad. Ugh, I might feel mad. Urgh. This word is jealous. She has a candy, and this girl is jealous. She wants that lollipop. You might be excited. These boys are excited for their puppy. They're very, very happy. You might be scared. At night, you might be scared. Those are feelings that characters have in a book.